Hi, this is Sasha from Snapdragon, and I wanted us to unbox together the latest in super slim foldable smartphones, the Honor Magic V5. First thing in the package is the phone, and the thing you see when you take it out is really no compromises for thinness. No compromises on power, no compromises on features. It's really just amazing what they get into a package that's as thin, basically, as the USB-C port. So it's a simple container, and after you take the phone out, there's a little box with the USB cable and SIM tool and a little case inside. As you can see here, a little gold case comes with it and a USB cable. But there's some other accessories I think you might want as well. There's a 66-watt wired charger, a 50-watt wireless charger. Those are super fast. And there's a stylus. This is a foldable you can use a stylus with, and that's going to matter for a lot of people who want to draw or take notes on this really big screen. So let's unwrap it and take a closer look. Okay, everybody, I'm taking the paper off. And so once you unwrap the Honor Magic V5, you just see the pure elegance of this hardware. It's amazing that there's a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor in here. It's got an 8 Elite, it's super powerful, and then we have on the back, we have 64, 50, 50 megapixel cameras. The 64 megapixel has a 3x optical zoom. And then, of course, this gorgeous, gorgeous display that opens up to almost an 8-inch display when it's unfolded. Let me show you some more aspects of this phone. So we have not one but two super bright screens here. And then if you look at the back, it comes in 4 colors. There's a white, black, brown, and gold. This material they call fiber, but the brown comes in vegan leather, which I think is really interesting. And of course, watching videos and playing games on a screen like this is just delightful. It's great for video calls, whether personal or for work. For business, spreadsheets always look great on a screen like this. And this is part of the new generation of pocket-friendly foldable phones that's as thin and really feels like just a regular phone when you're holding it in your hand. So I can't wait to spend more time with this, and I'm going to spend some more time with this, but I was really excited, and I just wanted to show you the innovation that Honor is bringing and how thin and how powerful you can make Snapdragon 8 Elite now.